The content shown in this video should be considered for entertainment purposes only. The actions and information that follow are fictional and/or reenactments. Do not try this.
What's good with it, gang? I'm glad y'all back to entertain y'allself with another video. Educate yourself for a little minute, you know what I'm saying? Kick back and, you know what I'm saying, expand your mind for a second. So by now you've been rocking with me doing a couple of steps, and if you're new to the page, man, go on, like and subscribe. Go back, check some old videos out. Check the Capital One video out, because today I'm gonna be just going a little bit more detail about how you can build that Capital One account up. But for everybody else who's been rocking with me today, man, you know, y'all should already have y'all EIN, y'all LLC. When got that for $1, been building that profile up. So by now y'all should already be at the stage where y'all trying to get some business credit on that profile. And if y'all already did all the other steps from the Capital One, you should have a good relationship with Capital One, where you can go and execute some a play that's gonna be real easy. So by now, with Capital One, you should already have a good relationship with them. You should already should have started out with this card right here. This is the card you should have started out with. You should have got that secure, put anywhere from 500 to a band on it, you know, depending on your pocketbooks. If you had a little bit more money, you could have went further and dealt with it, you know. Then you let that sit for a minute. Once that was sitting up, you went, got pre-qualified again. You didn't apply, you went got pre-qualified, and then they should have hit you with this one, the Quicksilver, and then you should have a nice limit on your Quicksilver. If you put a nice grip down on your Platinum, then your Quicksilver should be good. And at the same time, like I said, you're keeping that relationship good with them. But I said all that to say this. Now you had 2 relationships with Capital One, and you got your EIN number. And your profile should be anywhere, I say around 650, 680 at the most, you know what I'm saying? Because you just got all primaries on there. I don't know if you got any AUs or anything like that. But if you just got all primaries, you should be around the 650s, the 680 marks. So your next and your easiest card to get will be the Capital One Business Spark card. Now this is gonna be your first business card to get that's gonna report on your business profile that you got with your LLC, and it's the easiest one to get. You can probably get this card with like anywhere from like a 600 on up, especially you already got a good relationship with Capital One. So it's gonna be even that much smoother for it to go through, because you should already have at least 2 to 3. If you did like I told you, then you will have 3. You also have the Walmart card. But say you was in a rush and you was trying to get there quicker, so you only had the Platinum and the Quicksilver. As long as you was in good standings, they're gonna approve you for the Business Spark card, because you got your EIN number. And even if you didn't have your EIN number, Capital One will still give you that card under a sole proprietor. You know, so if you didn't go get your EIN for $1, you know what I'm saying, when you watch the how to get your LLC for $1, then you can still get the card and things like that. So I'm just telling y'all to tell y'all that that's be one of the easiest cards y'all can get to start building up your business profile. And the data points, like I tell y'all, to get the card. When I first got the card, my first data points on it, I had a 650 on one, and I had like 5 primaries and an AU, and my primaries were small. I had Self, I had Capital One, Secure, Capital One, Unsecured, Quicksilver, Kickoff, and Credit Strong, and the AU. And that's when I got my first one. If you can see, I know a lot of people be jucking and driving, but you know, I done did this multiple times, you know, and my second time I did it, I even tried to do it a little bit lower. I had two primaries and no AUs, and I had like a 650, but they was both Capital Ones. I had the Secure, Platinum again, I had the Quicksilver, and both of the limits, they started me out the same. The first time I had my score was a 680, if I'm not mistaken, about a 680, and they gave me 5,000. And then one time I did it and I had a score like a 720, and they gave me 8,000. So make sure you keep that relationship good with Capital One. Keep working on that profile, building it up, and everything will run smooth for you. You know what I'm saying? So I appreciate y'all checking me out. Make sure y'all go get your Bible, read up on it, follow the steps, put in your public records, man. Make sure you're ready, because in 2023, man, I'm gonna be doing a whole nother level of trying to get everybody up on this business credit, because that's where the bag at. And I'm gonna give you some more plays on different plays that I run, you know what I'm saying, that make it go smooth for you. So I appreciate y'all checking me out, entertaining yourself for a few minutes, having a good laugh and giggles, you know what I'm saying. So make sure y'all like, subscribe, share, you know, hit me on the telly, hit me on the Instagram. If you're trying to copy some PDF files and my website, hit me on the telly, and I'll make sure somebody will take care of you, get you the PDF files, get you your books, so you can go and get up to speed. Hey man, y'all, appreciate y'all checking me out. Y'all have a blessed one, man, and I'm out.
What it do? Yeah. You know what it is? Yeah. MJ. Disaster. Woo. I'm so thrilled when I step up in it. Damn food collection clothes, smelling J.